We got a little funnel. Looks like it's trying.
It is. Oh my god, look at that. It's curved. Is it breaking up already? Wow.
More sirens. Said, I think if anything forms, it's going to be right there.
Wow. Holy crap.
We're sure that that's moving away from us.
Oh god. Oh my god.
There's a funnel. Is that a funnel?
Yes, yes. It is moving away from us, isn't it?
It's going to move. It's going to miss us, I think. It's going to move to our left.
Oh god, it stopped. It's trying to form though. It's trying.
It's definitely working on it.
Look, there it goes again. This is good because this way I'm glad you're here because I know what to look for myself in future. Wow. Oh no, it's the school bus. Get home, kids.
That's it. I'm sure that's it.
It is, yeah. Well, look at the rest of the sky. It's like this big dip. Oh my god, look, it's forming, trying to form in several places. See the right edge of it? Wow.
Just keep moving to the left. Don't come right.
Yeah. That's silly. That would be... Yeah, this is a little close to my liking. Just keeps trying and not quite getting there.
I'm starting to get worried about this, actually.
Is it coming our way?
Oh, I don't know. I can't tell.
Actually, the wind's kind of blowing this way. Okay.
Pause it.